What up, Internet? You all think you know the ocean. You think a great white shark is a problem. Nah, man, we ain't talking about nature documentaries today. Here are the top 3 creatures to watch out for. The Kraken legends said it was only a myth, a monster whispered about by sailors who never made it home, but new sightings, strange shipwrecks, and horrifying deep-sea sonar scans are painting a different picture. The Midgard Serpent, he's a big eater. This thing is so long, it's got the whole earth in a chokehold, just chillin'. They call him Jörmungandr, but I call him the one who gonna mess up. The water bill. Hold up, you all thought a shark was bad. Now, forget the sharks. The Bible got a whole other problem called the Leviathan. That's a no way Jose from me, dog. Alright, that's it for the top 3 gospel-level scary ocean monsters. Huge thanks for watching and sticking around to see the creatures that are literally bigger than the world. Which one gave you the most nightmares? Let me know in the comments below. Never let a sucker start an Armageddon.